fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an event announcement. So, this may seem like a weird time to be doing an event announcement, but my life is currently pretty weird. So, I decided that I was going to go ahead and announce DP for Veterans 2024. This is the event that I have hosted every year in November for the last 2 or 3 years. It was DP for vets, but people were getting that confused with my DP for pets event. And so, to make clear that it was for veterans, military, that sort of thing, I decided to rename it. So, the new hashtag is DP for Veterans 2024. And what you see here are some of the things that I will be giving away in the prize packages. So, I'm going to talk a little bit about the rules. I'm going to talk a little bit about what's going to go on and how things are going to be a little bit different this year because my life is currently a huge ball of chaos. So, some things are going to remain the same. It is an event that will run for the month of November. So, from November 1st to November 30th, 2024. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell because you do have to be subscribed to the channel so that you can be entered, and also hit the bell so that you can make sure you don't miss any other videos about this. There will be, as in previous years, an entry and exit form for you to fill out. Typically, I open the entry form around the end of October. However, it will probably open sooner than that. In fact, I'll stick a link to the entry form down below in the description box. I'll have another video later in October, closer to the beginning of the event, where I do the official rules and all of that, but I'll go ahead and stick the link to the entry form down below. So if you're super organized and you already know what you want to do and you've been planning this for a while and you want to just fill it out and get it out of the way, you can do that. So the entry form will be open, and then the exit form I will open as usual on November 15th. And you'll have from the 15th through the 30th at midnight to fill out the exit form and get everything finished. You will have to fill out the entry and exit forms to be eligible for the final prize package, so remember that. So what are the rules? Let me throw them up on the screen here. The kits must be a new start, at least 30 by 30, and that's centimeters. Follow the veterans / remembrance / patriotic theme. So if it's something military theme, something patriotic that has to do with your country, a flag or a symbol of your country, something like that. Remembrance Day, poppies, anything like that qualifies. Remember, you do have to have a finish because in the exit form, I do ask for a photo of your finished kit. I do not require a start pic, so you don't have to worry about that, but I do want a pic because I do my video montage when I do the final prize drawing. So I like to have pictures of the stuff that people have finished. So remember that when planning. It is open to everyone, including international. I will, as I always do, pick a winner at random and notify you when I do that final video with the montage and everything. The winner will be announced there. So again, make sure you're sub to the channel and hit that bell so that you don't miss when that video goes up. So some questions that I usually get asked: are partials okay? Yes, partials are okay. Licensed art is encouraged but not required. You can do multiple entries if you want, and I often have people do multiple entries. However, no matter how many entries you put in, you only get one entry into the final prize package drawing. Have like a grand prize winner and a runner-up winner, and these are just some of the things that will be in it. There will also be included in the prize a premium licensed diamond painting kit. I don't know which ones yet, that's why they're not in the video, but there will be a licensed premium diamond painting kit that will be included as part of the prize package. So I've got trays, I've got stickers, I've got cover minders, washi, ABs, pens, cover sheets, or release papers, whatever you want to call them. Just kind of a conglomeration of things. Then the kits, and that will all be part of the final prize package. And if you're someone who does lots of events and you have a kit that will do double duty for this event and one or multiple others, awesome, go for it. That does not bother me at all. How is this event going to be a little bit different? Because I'm in the middle of trying to sell my house and move out of the country, things are kind of crazy at the moment. That's part of why I'm doing this video earlier than I would normally do it. Normally I would wait until closer to November to do this. However, I decided to go ahead and do it early. One, because I know there are so many of you who plan ahead. So if you want to go ahead and get everything out of the way and have it set up and ready to go, then awesome. Go ahead and do that. If you don't want to fill it out now, if you're not ready and you want to wait until closer to the beginning of November to fill it out, that's awesome too. Just the entry form will be open if you're interested. If not, it'll still be there when you're ready. This event is going to be a little bit scaled down because I don't know for sure when we're actually going to be moving. I decided that I would just tentatively say that I'm not going to be doing weekly drawings. I have done those in previous years, but I don't know where I'm going to be, and I don't want to commit to having to mail something every week if we're going to be on the road and transitioning. So I'm just going to say for now that I'm not going to do weekly drawings. If it turns out that we're still here and I can do weekly drawings, then I can always add them in. But for now, I'm just going to say that I'm not doing them. That may result in the event and participation being a little bit scaled down. That's okay. I apologize, but just, yeah, life is crazy. So that's what it is. Hopefully, this will still be a fun and informative event. Follow me on Instagram if you're on Instagram. I will have posts there about the event as well. If you are not in my Facebook group, go ahead and find the link for that and join the Facebook group. Again, I don't require a start pick, but I love to have people, you can post a start pick in there if you want, and I love to see people posting as the event goes on. I don't have a separate event group for the veterans event. It all just goes in my Facebook group. That's easier for me to track, especially with the craziness that is my life right now. So progress pics, and I'll try to be posting my progress pics in the group as well, but I love seeing everybody's photos, love seeing what they're working on. If you want to do a fun start pick with all the stuff that you're going to do, that's awesome. Do that. Hopefully this is just a way for us to have fun. Just like my DP for Pets event, I do ask if you are able that you make a donation to a local charity. For the pets event, it's for a local humane shelter or something like that. For this particular event, what I will be doing is finding a military slash veterans group. The one I donated to 2 years ago disappeared, and I donated to a different group last year. So I'll probably donate to that same group this year, assuming they're still around. If not, I'll find something else. It is not required that you donate to any place in order to participate in the event. It's just if you can, it's a nice gesture. I think that's everything I wanted to share with you guys. I'm super excited about this event. I love it. I've already got my kit picked out, so I know what I'm going to be doing. I just don't know where I'm going to be doing it from. Like I said, I will be doing another video closer to the beginning of November and the start of the event with the official rules listed, but you can at the very least check out the description box below and fill out the entry form if you already know what you're going to be doing. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.